can go to our link cetking.com/SIDNAM to find out the cutoff for the colleges. So the cutoffs are not yet out because these are the tentative cutoff. So you can pause the video. For Mumbai Open, you need 129 marks, 130 marks is the cutoff for HU student, all the home university seats. And for the state level OHU seats, this is the cutoff. Yep, so you can pause the video and you can check out the cutoff here. For All India seats, 99.95 percentile is the cutoff required for the All India category. So yes, there are seats for All India as well. So 18 plus 9, 27 seats out of 180 are reserved for the All India seats, for which you can give, as of today, you can give CAT, CMAT and the CET exam. Any of the three exams, you get 99.95, you will get admission here. Alright, so anything you want me to add here, you can ask in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to add. So we added the cutoff, we added the placements, we added the fees and the scholarships. Alright, for all the categories as well. All the best. Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about the placement report at SIDNAM College. So SIDNAM have just released their placement report for the 2020 batch, and we'll look at the complete detail about the placement. Apart from the good faculty and everything, the best part of the SIDNAM is the ROI. With a fees of only 1.4 lakhs, wo bhi nahi, 1.36 lakhs, in which 1 year you will get scholarship, 67,000 the scholarship for every student. Fees is only 67,000 what you have paid, and you are getting a package of 12.2 lakh. Yeah, but on paper fees is 1.36 lakhs, so I'll stick to that number. ROI is more than 10 times, almost 10 times at the college. 12.2 lakh is the average package. Alright, so we'll start with the first batch profile. So if you look at the batch of SIDNAM College, male 72% female and 28% females. Yeah, specialization wise, 53% of the batch have taken finance. This shows the demand for finance. This doesn't mean the college is only good in finance. College is good in the other areas as well. But students in SIDNAM and Jamnalal Bajaj, they prefer finance. One of the main reason is the legacy of these colleges. Number two is the location as well. Based in South Mumbai, which is the financial capital of the country. Yeah, colleges are based here. ये ना मैंने पहले भी एक वीडियो में कहा था कि मुंबई इज द फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल ऑफ इंडिया. ठीक है, मेरे को एक कमेंट आया नीचे, आपको इतना भी नहीं पता, कैपिटल तो दिल्ली है, तो भाई फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल. ठीक है, लेट मी क्लैरिफाई इस बार. ओके, now 79% of the batch are engineer, 80% of the batch is engineer, 10% commerce, 8% management, 47% of the batch is fresher. Almost half of the batch is without any work ex. Why? Because there is no criteria in SIDNAM College, Jamnalal Bajaj College, any college based in CET, direct admission based on your score. So this means 50% of the batch have scored more than, have without work ex have come to the college. Now if you look at any of the IIMs, any of the other colleges at par with this college, yeah, you will find many student. In fact, 33% of the batch is fresher. Here 47%. 0 to 2 years of work ex is 18 plus 19, 17, 27, 37%, and 16% of batch have more than 2 years of work ex. So more of a young crowd at the SIDNAM College. Now come the main part where everyone was looking at. So before we go to that, let's look at the breakup. Placement wise, 41% got banking, IT retail 13%, FMCG 13%, consulting 9%, market research 4%, manufacturing 10%, and others 10%. This is the breakup where they got the placement. And almost most of the companies which came on campus, we have the list here. You can see the list of the colleges here which have come on the campus. You can contact SIDNAM in case you have any queries. Yeah, now we move to the main part for which we are making this video. Average salary of the college is 12.2 lakh. So with average salary of 12.2, you are here at SIDNAM College. Top median is 11.74, which is very close to the average because the intake is less. So only 180 student in the batch. Top 50% got 13.6 lakh ka package. Top 25% of the batch have got 14.82 lakh ka package. And the highest CTC is 20 lakh. Now, if you start comparing this college with the other campuses, now I would compare this at par with the baby IIMs. Okay, at par with the baby IIMs because of the fact that same package you are getting here. baby IIMs are still establishing themselves, all the baby IIMs. ठीक है. Here we have a college which is well established. Historically, this used to be the top 10 colleges in India. There used to be a time when Sydenham used to be a top 10 campuses in India. But because other colleges came up, Sydenham has not gone down, but other colleges came up, the college ka ranking is now among top 30 colleges. So you can go to cetkking.com/top, cetkking.com/top. I've given you the list of colleges, the ranking of colleges. You can find the Sydenham ka ranking rubbing shoulders with all the top colleges. Yeah, new IIMs, and because the ROI, it is a very good college from that point of view, top college.